I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you want to stop your Peacock subscription from automatically renewing, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Peacock website and sign in using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your subscription settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for a section labeled Account or Settings in the menu. Step 3. Find subscription details. In account settings, locate the subscription or billing section. Here you will see details about your current plan and renewal status. Step 4. Disable auto renewal. Look for the option that says auto renewal or renewal settings. Toggle the switch to turn off auto renewal. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear. Just a heads up, if you don't see the toggle, you might need to check if you re-logged in with the correct account. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto renewal, you should receive a confirmation message. Double check your subscription details to ensure that auto renewal is indeed turned off. I hope this helps you manage your Peacock subscription easily. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.